All right, Language Explorer. So let's look at this Sunday's prepositions. So a slant, at an angle. Yeah, at an angle. Yeah, not quite right, not upright. At an angle. Yeah, the house is a slant. The house is a slant. Yeah. The light was a slant in the room. Yes. My mirror is a slant. Some of the books were a slant. Did you see those roads? They were a slant. They were a slant. It has always been a slant. They thought it was a slant too. A slant too. She put it upright, but we think it is a slant. Yeah. Very good. He built it a slant on purpose. On purpose, yeah. Yeah. I made it a slant so it looked cooler, looked more beautiful. Yeah, it looks really cool, really beautiful that way. How cool is that? So he put it aslant. Maybe the table or the chairs. The table is aslant, yeah. The chairs aren't quite at the right angle. They are aslant. Aslant, yeah. How cool is that? I'm repairing all the aslant pieces. All these different angles and pieces need repairing, aslant. When do you think they'll fix the aslant part? Yeah, those aslant sections need changing. Maybe even replacing, yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? So aslant. So this house is a slant for some reason, yeah. For some reason. It is a slant for some reason. Yeah. This line is a little aslant. Little aslant. Okay. So, can you use a slant in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as searching Adrian Nanchev on YouTube, Udemy. Yeah, how cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.